The additive manufacturing certification provides already today the implementers, the manufacturing sites, with a clear roadmap towards industrial grade manufacturing. So it's minimized cost and time for the entire manufacturing team. They don't need to do so many failures by their own, as they have here a clear certification scheme with clear goal to meet. Secondly, it motivates the entire team for lift quality assurance within additive manufacturing, as we are going very detailed on the process level of additive here. And thirdly, such a certified company can prove and claim already today that they work according to the status quo within standardization.